Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're going to unbox and then obviously later review the Creative Zen Air True Wireless earphones. This is a set of premium true wireless earphones from Creative, which feature Active Noise Cancellation. Now, for those of you who follow the Tech Travel Geeks, you know that we cover gadgets and accessories we think make the travel experience better. And as I use my jerry-rig everything knife to cut into the packaging here, it's just a few sticky tape dots here. We can have a quick look at the packaging. It just says us that you have active noise cancellation, ambient mode, which is where it lets sound through from the outside through the earphones. It's around about 6 hours per charge and 18 hours of total playtime. So that means you get 6 hours per charge from the earbuds themselves, and then you also get an extra 2 to 3 charges in the case itself. So packaging is pretty straightforward. We have a quick view of what's actually in the box. Let's see what it actually looks like. All right, it's very simple. So first thing first is the earbuds. I'm going to put these to the side and then we'll look at the rest of what's there. So in here, in a little plastic bag, we have additional ear tips in white. That's for the earbuds themselves. And we have a USB-A to USB Type-C cable. This means that it's USB Type-C for charging, which is always good to see. And then at the bottom of the packaging, we have our documentation, which I'm sure we'll read. But the key thing is here that you have the QR codes to download the app for setting up the Zen Air optimally. And then a quick start guide on how to pair and set up the earphones. So I'm going to put these aside. I'm going to put the charge cable aside. Let's look at the Creative earbuds themselves. So the case is white plastic and glossy. It's unapologetically glossy. As you can see, we have the logo Creative at the top and SXFI ready. Now SXFI is what we've already seen here in the Tech Travel Geeks on other Creative product reviews. It's the app that can optimize things like the balance and the tonality of the music coming through the earbuds, as well as optimizing pairing. Now when you open the buds, first thing you see is the light coming on and the earbuds themselves. And you can see that they're here, but they have little lips of plastic on the pogo pins so that the earbuds won't charge whilst in transit. This is something we've seen before. And then again, at the top lid, we have SXFI ready logo as well. So I'm going to take the earbuds out, and as you can see, it's not completely round tips, they're slightly elongated ones. This is good for when it's more natural to the form of the ear to be able to use that. I'm going to take that's a little plastic lip off, and this one as well. Fantastic. I'm going to put these back in just so that they pair up. Whoops. Okay. Get the plastic out. Great. So that's the earbuds now in their case. I'm going to close the case. And what we're going to do now is going to set up these earbuds with Bluetooth. So to do so, I'm going to take my Google Pixel 7 Pro. I'm going to put it here beside the earbuds. I'm going to open the earbuds case, swipe down, long press on my Bluetooth icon, pair new device, and it immediately identifies the Creative Zen Air earbuds there. So I'm going to tap on that. And do you want to allow access to your contacts and call history? This is for making audio calls over the earbuds. I trust Creative in this space, so let's do that. I'm going to pair them. And there we are. So as they come out of the box, you can see they have a 70% battery charge. What I'm going to do next is go to the Google Play Store, and we're going to search for Creative and the brand is SXFI. And you'll see that it's the first app that comes up when you search for it. So we install the app just to make sure that we've got everything set up. And I'm going to take the earbuds out now, pop them in my ear. Okay, so great first impressions. The earbuds feel snug. They're super lightweight. I mean, this is really noticeable how light they are compared to other earbuds I've used in the past. Let's open up the app. I already have an account with this. Let's make sure we get in there. And there we go. So we have obviously a music player here. You can see that you can personalize your head map if you're doing spatial audio. You can mess around with the equalizer, which is already set by default to 5.1 and 5.2 for bass and treble respectively, but you can pump that up. If you, for example, you want to listen to something like a bit of EDM, you might want to pump these up all the way. Once we've got that, we can also manage your devices, your account, and it has a tutorial on how to set up the spatial audio on Creative products. Let me just check that sound plays. It does. Okay, so it works fine. I'm quite happy with that. I will take the Creative Zen Air earbuds, spend at least a day listening to audiobooks, podcasts, the BBC Sounds app, music, and also put it through some gaming tests just to see what the lag and responsiveness is. And once I've done that, we'll record a sample video so that you get an idea of what the microphones on the Creative Zen Air are like. So bear with us. If you do see an ad come up in this video, please do watch it. By doing so, you'll be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube, and I'll see you in a moment.
Okay then, so I have been using the Creative Zen Air earphones for about 3 weeks now. So I've had plenty of chances to use it in lots of different situations. And it's time to record a sample of the Creative Zen Air earbuds in use with a microphone over a Microsoft Teams call. And I've called our Chief Aperture Officer, Lukash. Hey, Lukash, how are you?
Hey, Matteo, I'm great. How are you doing?
Good, thanks. Not as eventful as your last few days, where you've become uncle for the 3rd time.
Indeed,
But
indeed. My niece, my wife's niece.
Your wife's niece and
yesterday.
you, because it's your wife, so you're still Uncle Mark III. But yeah, this is a sample of the Creative Zen Air earbuds in standard mode. I actually have them on Active Noise Cancellation on because my laptop fan is quite noisy at the moment, and they work really well. I'm quite happy with them. Now, bearing in mind these are not super expensive earbuds, they have Active Noise Cancellation, wireless charging in the case. With the case and Active Noise Cancellation, I've had between 15 and 20 hours of use of these earbuds on a single charge. The fact that they charge really quickly over USB Type-C, overall, these are a really good pair of earbuds. And I think the standout feature is most likely the lightness of them. They're really nice and light, and they don't weigh down on my earlobes as other earbuds have done in the past. So overall, it's a recommend from me. But how about you? What do you think of the sound, Lukash?
Yeah, it sounds good. There's sometimes little crackles, but otherwise it sounds good. So those are from Creative, yeah?
Yes, from Creative, once upon a time known for their GPUs, their graphical processing units.
Yeah, and
in
there's
the
sound
days
cards.
in the days of the early Pentiums, and when hyper-threading or multi-threading on a single core was a thing.
Yes, I remember there are sound cards from 1996 before. So good to see them coming back.
Yeah, the brand is important to us, especially in our growth in the computing world. But I have to say, these earbuds and their white case are very pleasant to use. And just for a bit of context, these fit in the watch pocket or the fifth pocket of my new denim jeans. And funnily enough, Creative even mentioned denim on their website. So it must be a thing. I will also say that the active noise cancellation performs as well as other earbuds in a much higher price category. I have used these cutting the grass multiple times, and I will be using them again tomorrow to listen to my audiobook whilst cutting the grass. So that's a context of non-travel where active noise cancellation is particularly useful. Or if you're a cat person like me, vacuum cleaning is also another place where it's very useful. Anyway, so that's our impressions. You've heard me ramble on long enough. If you would like to let us know what you think this audio sounds like, as left pretty much unedited from the recording of a Microsoft Teams meeting, do let us know in the comments. Lukash, anything else you want to shout out about before we wrap up?
No, it sounds good. Good to be back.
And as usual, if you don't already subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube, please do subscribe. And if you want to know more about any of our videos, do please leave us a comment in the section below the videos. We do our best to get back to you, usually within a few days. Anyway, we'll wrap this video up. Thank you for watching if you made it this far. Goodbye from us.
Good stuff.